What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Powerbeats Pro's totally wireless earphones. Welcome back, and before we officially unbox the product, I'd like to let you know that the product link will be available in the video description. Also, there is a few things that I'd like to touch basis on about this product. That is that there is 4 different colors available for the Powerbeats Pros. You have ivory, moss, navy, and black. These cost $250 on Apple's website. Again, link will be down below. They are IPX4 sweat and water resistant, along with a couple other key features that we'll talk more about once we unbox the product. The front of the box has a picture of the Powerbeats Pro themselves and also says Powerbeats Pro. On the side, it says Powerbeats Pro with the Beats logo. And the other side lets us know a couple key features that once again we'll talk about here in a minute. And on the back is a picture of the Powerbeats Pros in their charging case. Let's go ahead and remove the protective packaging on the box. These do have a good presentation, as Beats is known for. Lifting the lid on the box for the very first time, we're presented with the Powerbeats Pros and the battery charging case. We'll go ahead and place that off to the side. Lifting up that center compartment, we are presented with our lightning cable, which is black. We also get a little bit of literature as well as a big Beats sticker. The book located inside is a getting started guide, which helps you pair the device with either an iOS or Android device. We also get 3 different size earbud tips. Next up, we have the battery case itself. As you can see, it has the Beats logo on the front, and the bottom of the case is flat to help lay flat on a flat surface. You also get a lightning port as well as a LED light indicator letting you know the battery level of the case. Opening up the case, we're presented with the Powerbeats Pros themselves. The top of the case lets you know that the Powerbeats Pros need to be in the case to pair. The bottom of the case is where the Powerbeats Pros rest. The interior portion of the case has magnets where the Powerbeats Pros actually lay in to charge, and the button in the middle is for pairing to an Android device. The Powerbeats Pros have both Beats logos as well as volume up and down buttons on each bud. The Powerbeats Pros get up to 9 hours of listening time and more than 24 hours including the charging case. It also has fast charge, so 5 minutes will get you an hour and a half of playback, and 15 minutes will get you 4.5 hours of playback. They also feature adjustable secure fit ear hooks for lightweight comfort and stability, which in turn are going to make these perfect for the gym and high energy activities. They also feature a reinforced design for sweat and water resistance during tough workouts. Again, both have volume and track controls on each earbud, voice compatibility, as well as auto play and pause. My first impressions of the Powerbeats Pros is that they appear to be extremely well built. Just a quick heads up, I will be doing a full review of the Powerbeats Pros, so let me know down in the comments section below what specific things you would like for me to answer in that review video. I will also be doing an in-depth comprehensive review with the Apple AirPods 2 versus the Powerbeats Pros versus the Galaxy Buds. The Powerbeats Pros have a very unique design designed to fit perfectly in your ear canal. The Powerbeats Pros also feature Apple's H1 chip that allows for instant pairing similar to the Apple AirPods. Anyways guys, that's going to do it for me in this video. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to drop a like rating down below, and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. And also make sure to hit that bell icon so you get notified of every single upload. Don't forget to leave your questions down below in the comments section on what you'd like to see me answer in the full review. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.